I'm Grant Batty, and today I'm making a pizza that's been inspired by the flavours I grew up with, my mum's chicken pie. So I've stolen the recipe and put it on a pizza.
Start off, thinly slice your leeks. Pour some olive oil into a pan and saute off your leeks until tender. Next, take your roast chicken and add it to the pan. Get some Dijon mustard in there as well. This will add a lovely depth to the sauce. Add your cream and then finally some cheddar cheese. Give everything a good stir until the cheese is melted. This makes an epic pie filling. Next up, bacon. Place your lardons into a skillet with some rosemary, garlic, and olive oil. I like to cook the bacon in my uni as it adds a lovely bit of smokiness. You want the rosemary to infuse and the garlic to soften. Stir regularly until all the flavours have come together and the bacon's nice and crispy. On a lightly floured work surface, place a dough ball and gently press from the centre outwards, pushing the air towards the edge with your fingers. Stretch the dough out to form a 12-inch base. I like to use the back of my hands to gently lift the dough and pull outwards. Top with the chicken and leek mix, leaving room at the edge for the crust. Add your mozzarella, bacon, and a generous helping of parmesan. Slide the pizza into your oven and fire it for 60 to 90 seconds. Garnish with fresh thyme and even more parmesan.
Everyone has that old school home comfort meal that just makes them feel good, and this one's mine. You've got the chicken, you've got the bacon, the leeks and the cheese. Add that to a pizza and it just makes it extra special. I'd recommend anyone try this at home. So for the full recipe, check it out on the Ooni website.